Hey guys, so today at school and then after school. Okay, no. In Mr. Miller's class in 6th period, okay, Mr. Moyari came in and he's like, "Oh yeah, we don't have school tomorrow or Friday." We're just like, "What? Why not?" And then he's like, "Because between the two middle schools, which run here, there are two middle schools, one for here and one for a city, and then two elementary schools, one county, one city. And apparently there's like 700 kids either getting sick at school and having to leave or just not at school because they were sick. So like a total of like 700 of them, so they closed school for the rest of the week, which is awesome because it means I don't have to wake up any day early except for Saturday, and that's because I have talent show auditions. And that's not even early. That's from 11 to 3. So, yeah. Anyway, um, rode the bus home earlier. I made dinner tonight. We had, well, leftover Swedish meatballs. I made some mashed potatoes and some corn. Yep. Not really much to do, not really much to say. Um, yeah. Anyway, I guess I will just talk to you guys later. Uh, Bye.